Sigma Phi News Briefs, I'm Kevin Marin. Our lead story tonight, the Delta Xi chapter of Alpha Sigma Phi fraternity here at Plattsburgh State is currently celebrating its 5-year anniversary. To celebrate this event, the Brothers of Delta Xi are hard at work at producing a commemorative video.
Hi, I'm Kevin Macdo Marin.
And I'm Dave Speed Racer Marceau.
The Delta Xi chapter of Alpha Sigma Phi here at SUNY Plattsburgh is 5 years old now. Soon after its chartering, the Brothers of Delta Xi produced a video known as the Phi Epsilon tape to teach the future brothers about the founding fathers.
It's now 5 years later, and the current Brothers of Delta Xi have produced a follow-up video for the purpose of updating future brothers on where Delta Xi is today and where it's going. With me now is founding father Eric Kierleis. Eric, now you're one of the most mysterious brothers in the fraternity because your name comes up a lot, being the founding father, but not a lot of people know much about you. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, my name's Eric Kierleis. I'm originally from Hauppauge down on Long Island. Came to Plattsburgh by way of Lehigh University. Today I live in Medford, Massachusetts, and I work for an environmental testing firm, and also am pursuing a master's degree part-time. Married, no kids.
Okay, so what inspired you to found a chapter at Plattsburgh State when you were here?
When I came back from Lehigh University, I had pledged Alpha Sig, and I came back not as a brother, but still as a pledge, and it was something I started. I felt the time was right on campus. The Greek system was pretty archaic back then, people running around with mops and so forth, a lot of the sororities. Felt it was something I could start here, and it took off.
Okay, so you're one of the few brothers that were here at the founding of the fraternity, and you've seen where we've gone since then. Where do you see Delta Xi as right now?
Delta Xi has moved off our initial founding principles or our initial beliefs. However, it's one of those things where the fraternity evolves over time, and there are new players. It's no longer my ball. I left the fraternity when I graduated. I left the fraternity as its governing body here at Plattsburgh. I see it moving ahead strongly, and I see a good brotherhood here, and I think that's the important part. Now we have to work on getting new members. Okay,
so do you have any advice for the future brothers that will be coming in?
Future brothers coming in. The fraternity is about being an individual, and the fraternity is about helping a person build their own character, and I don't think that's something we should lose our sight. When it appears that we are losing sight of this, I think we should go back to our ritual for what we stand for. It's a beautiful ritual that was written back in the 1800s. It has a lot of good information about building character, and that's what we're about. And that's really the only information I think I could pass on to brothers who are coming into Alpha Sig.
Okay, thanks a lot, Eric.
You're welcome.
So what have 5 years of Alpha Sigma Phi brotherhood been like? Well, that's a question that truly a brother can only answer. But for those of you who have not been inducted into the Mystic Circle, maybe this video will give you a better idea of what it's like.
What would you think if I sang out a tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song, and I'll try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. I get high with a little help from my friends. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. What do I do when my love is away? Does it worry you to be alone? How do I feel by the end of the day? Are you sad because you're on your own? No, I get by with a little help from my friends. Get high with a little help from my friends. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I need somebody to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Would you believe in a love at first sight? Yes, I'm certain that it happens all the time. What do you see when you turn out the light? I can't tell you, but I know it's mine. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. Get high with a little help from my friends. Oh, I'm gonna try with a little help from my friends. Do you need anybody? I just need someone to love. Could it be anybody? I want somebody to love. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. Gonna try with a little help from my friends. Oh, I get high with a little help from my friends. Yes, I get by with a little help from my friends. With a little help from my friends.
We're going to take a short break right now for these important messages, so stay tuned and we'll be right back.